How to open an Etsy shop. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to open an Etsy shop. To start, open your internet browser and then head on over to Etsy. Make sure you have logged in as well already. Once you are now on your Etsy profile, click on the button that says Open a Shop Today. Once you are here, click on Let's Do This. And then over at What Brings You to Etsy, in here just choose the option or the answer whatever brought you to Etsy. You can also skip this question depending on your preference. Once done, click on the next button. And then in here, if you need help with anything, just choose which one you need help with. Then tap on the next button once you have chosen. You can also skip this question. Now tap on the button that says Start Your Shop. Once you are now here, you're now going to input your shop preferences. First, your shop language, your shop country, and then your shop currency. Once done, tap on Save and Continue in the bottom right. For the next step, give your shop a name. Once done, tap on Save and Continue in the bottom right once again. And then in here, you're now going to create a listing. Of course, this is depending on the products that you are going to sell over at Etsy. So go ahead, take your time in this one. Over at the first section, you can also add a photo as a sample for your product. Go ahead, take your time. Once done, click on Save and Continue in the bottom right once again. Over here, you're going to scroll down. Of course, we are not going to be allowed to save and continue as long as we don't fill up the forms or the listings over here. So go ahead, take your time so that you will be sure to input the correct details for your products in your shop. First, on listing details, you're going to be clicking over the title, about the listing, the category, the renewal options, and then of course the type of product. And then in here over at the description page, input a description about your product as well. Once done, after saving and continuing it by clicking on the button at the bottom right, you should now be able to create an Etsy shop. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.